Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Server you can't access this shared folder security policies block error. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand services, click and expand LAN man workstation, click parameters. Create new DWord 32-bit value, named as allow insecure guest auth, change value data to 1. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.